All right, so what we're looking at here is the dissection of a horseshoe crab. And the horseshoe crab has the outside carapace. This region right here is called the prosoma. And this region down here is called the opithosoma. The opithosoma is also the abdomen. And these are the abdomen or abdominal spines that are movable. This right here is a hinge. And then this region right here is the telson. If we look here really close, you should be able to identify the medial eyes, the lateral eyes, the medial ridge, and the lateral ridge here. And then if we start to remove some of this stuff, we take it off. We've now exposed some of the insides. And as we look at the insides, there is the digestive cecum that you can see here. This is all the muscle that attaches the carapace to the actual organism itself. What you can see here is the proventriculus, which is, ventricle means belly, and so this is where the stomach essentially is starting some digestion, and it moves back into the midgut. So the midgut, I'm going to turn this around, is this tube that you can see here. This is the midgut. Above the midgut, or dorsally located, is the heart, and that's this region right here. And this is where like hemolymph would travel through the body. If we go back up here to the proventriculus, so food is going to enter in through the mouth, and it's going to go through this valve, which is the just the proventricular valve. It's going to go into the midgut for final digestion, and then it's going to be excreted out the anus. So if we take the horseshoe crab and we look at the ventral region right here, this is the anus, right at the base of the opithosoma. So if we're looking at these structures right here, we can tell gender by looking at the first pedipalp, and when they have the bulb here, just like this one does, it's a male. If the bulb is missing, then it's a female. These are the pedipalps, and these ones right here are the chelicerae. And this region right here is called the gnathobase, and in the center of the gnathobase, gnathos means jaw, is going to be the mouth, which is going to connect again to the proventriculus. These are the walking legs right here, which go back to the pusher legs. And see, if you notice at the end of the pusher leg, it's slightly different. They kind of fray out at the end, as opposed to being a claw-like look that you see here with a pennant ultimate and a immovable finger. This part right here is the genital operculum with the genital pores underneath. And then you have the gill operculum, which are here. Underneath the gill operculum, you have the book gills, and each one of these is called a gill lamellae. These are all the structures that you need to know for the horseshoe crab.